In this video, I will be unboxing and demoing all of the features and showing you how to jumpstart a car and test batteries using this LOKITHOR JT400 jumpstarter and battery tester. Now, if you're just curious about how to test the battery, skip to this timestamp here. Or if you're just interested in how to jumpstart a car, skip to this timestamp here. Now, first things first, let's start with the unboxing. The box looks very sleek with a modern black and red design. After removing the sleeve, you can open the box and right on top, you get the manual and a customer support card. Then we have the jump starter itself. And at the bottom, we have a travel baggie, the jump clamps, and a charging cable. Now, here's a close-up of each item. We have here the customer support card. Then we've got the manual. It's in full color and it's super detailed. It has all of the information you need to know in a very concise and understandable format. Here's the included USB cable. It's a Type-C cable. Next, we have the travel baggie. It's a very high quality, breathable bag. It has the name of the brand printed on it and also stitched on as a label. It's a pull close bag and comes in a cool black and red color combo. And now, here we have the jump clamps. They are clearly color coded. We have the red positive and the black negative. These clamps look and feel very high quality. The other end here plugs into the JT400 jump starter unit. This end only goes in one way. Here's the unit itself. Front, you have the display and power button, light button, and M button. On the back, we have some valuable information, including error codes. On the left side, we have the charging ports, and on the right, we have the LED lights. To turn on the LED lights, you hold down the light button. Then, you short press, and it cycles through all of the lighting modes, with 3 levels of brightness, some other strobe lighting features, and it also includes the SOS. After which, you press it once more and it turns off. It's actually really bright and I'm impressed. There's a flap between the two LEDs. That's where you plug in the jump clamps. But first, I will be demoing the charging capabilities. Here, when I'm charging the unit, it shows how much power is being charged in watts. And now I'm charging this phone and it shows how much power is being discharged. Now to use the battery testing feature. You'll have to download the accompanying app called BatGuard and link the device to your phone via Bluetooth as demonstrated here. It's super simple. All you have to do is power on the unit, then open the app and follow the on-screen prompts. Here's a short tour of the settings available from the app. Here I'm plugging in the clamps to the unit. Remember, it only plugs in one way. And now for the segment everybody was waiting for. Here's firstly how to test your battery. You attach the clamps on the respective negative and positive terminals on your battery, power on the unit, and load the app. Navigate to the battery test and select the battery type you have and the battery standard you'll be testing. This battery is rated 490. Find the exact number of your battery on the battery itself. It should tell you the battery standard and the battery rating. Enter the battery rating and give it a whirl. It tests really fast, and as you can see, my battery is not that great. And now how to jumpstart the car. First, I'm going to plug in the jump clamp cables into the unit, and I'm going to connect the negative and positive to the respective terminals on the battery. Then I'm going to start the unit by pressing the power button on the jump starter itself. It's going to count down from 10 to analyze. When you see the voltage indicator, which is this green light blinking, that means it's ready to start. After a successful startup, we can hold on the power button to turn off the unit, then we remove the clamps. That's the first method. And now here's how to start using the second method. First, we put the clamps on the positive terminal. Then we turn on the unit by pressing the power button on the jump starter. After which, we hold down the M button until we see the lights blinking. Then we connect the negative and we start the car. Afterwards, you can turn off the unit and disconnect the clamps. If the first method doesn't work, you probably need to try the second. Overall, everything works as advertised. It is a high quality jump starter and it's also a good battery tester. This device is very functional. It does the job of two tools in one. It's solidly built and I'm very impressed and I do recommend it.